Today I'm gonna show you how to change suggested reels on Instagram. Stick with me till the end and let's get this video started. Now whenever you open up the Reels tab on your Instagram, it's gonna show you reels based upon the interactions that you've made. Now if you're seeing content that you don't like and you want to change it around, there are a couple of things that you can do. You see a particular reel that you find interesting, then you simply can tap on the like option right here and then like those reels. You can keep doing it for all of the reels that you like. And for the ones that you don't like, you can simply tap on the three lines on the bottom right and then tap on not interested. And then tap on this topic does not interest me. Now you can also keep doing this for most of the reels that you see. Now when you start to do these two steps, the Instagram algorithm will start to show you more of the posts that you like and will show less of the posts that you don't. Now you could not see the changes immediately. You need to wait some time before the changes start to happen. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to subscribe, share and give this video a thumbs up. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.